Hello Cobras. In this video we are going to cover where to go to find the official library website, and then kind of how to navigate the website, basically how to locate the databases that you'll need to use for like scholarly articles, magazine, newspaper articles, things like that, research guides that may be created for some of your classes, and then also how to access the online catalog, also known as Primo Discovery Service. So if you ever hear it referred to as Primo Discovery Service, either in a class or somewhere else, that's basically just the online catalog. So we're going to cover how to find all of that here right now. The most important thing is to make sure that you are going to the official Coker Library website to access any of these things. Do not Google the database names. When you do that and you try to click on those databases by like searching through Google, you're not going to get full access to those databases. We actually pay subscriptions for those. So you always want to make sure that you are accessing those through our website. It's really important. And to get to the website, it is coker.edu/library. And that will bring you to this page here. And then you can just scroll down, and you'll see these options here. These are going to be your three main destination options on the website. You're going to have your databases. Pretty self-explanatory. That's where you're going to go to access any of the academic databases that we have, that we are subscribed to through our institution. Research guides. This is going to be for class-specific, subject-specific things that maybe we created for a class. A lot of your English classes might have some of these, so you may be going here to access some of those. And then also the catalog. This is where you're going to actually look for books, ebooks, DVDs, musical scores. You can also search for articles using this as well. This is going to be what you're searching for here. And again, sometimes it is referred to as the Primo Discovery Service, but it's the online catalog. It's basically just the same thing, just a fancy name. So just to kind of show you what each one of these destinations look like, when you click on the Our Databases, it's going to take you to the A to Z Databases page. It's just like it says. It's going to show you all of the databases that we have access to, and it's going to give you the access links to those databases. So if there are specific databases that you need to access for a class or for an assignment, this is where you'll want to go to access all of those. It automatically defaults to all, so it's going to show you every single database that we have access to, and you can just kind of scroll through and try to find what you need. But if you know the title of it, let's say you're a nursing student and you need to use CINAHL for some of your research, you can just click the C, and it'll take you right there. And you can access the database that way. One thing I do want to note very quickly is that you can access specific ebook collections through the databases page. And to do that, you just do the E, and you will bring up the ebooks by EBSCO. That's one of the big vendors. That's one of the big destinations that we have for individual ebooks, and so you can use that to search for ebooks. We also have ProQuest eBook Central. That's probably the second largest ebook collector and ebook vendor that we subscribe to and that we have access to. And so you can use both of those to search specifically for ebooks. And so that's a way you can do that. And that basically covers the databases side of things. So if we go back here, research guides, that's what this is going to look like here. So let's say that you are in English 112 and you need to use the guide for that. This is where you would go to access those. You can just go there, and then it will bring up the guides for you. A lot of times these guides will be covered in instruction sessions that you may have in a class. So this may not be the clearest destination that you're always going to go to, but if you are ever told to look for research guides, that's going to be your spot right there. And then finally, we have the catalog, again, also referenced as Primo Discovery Service. Click that, and it's going to bring you to this page here. And this is going to be where you can search for books. Again, you have advanced searches here. This is where you can go specifically with the Coker University catalog. You can do Pascal searches. You can do article searches. You can limit things by title, author, subject. You can also limit it by type. So journals, books, articles, whatever you need. You can kind of limit your search to that. But that's going to be this destination. One of the cool things about this area also is that it also kind of branches off to some of the other things that I already showed you. So you can also search for journals here. You can go to the databases A to Z page that we just looked at. And you can also go to the research guides, all from this online catalog spot. So this is also a really cool kind of just like one-stop shop area where you can kind of just search for everything and have access to searching for everything and accessing everything. And so that's the basic rundown for the library website, how to access these 3 main points here. And yeah, if you ever have any questions, always feel free to ask a library staff member. That's what we're there for. We're here to help. Otherwise, happy researching.